To request transcripts and letters of recommendation, you will need to log into Naviance. On the district's homepage, click on the first icon on the left under the images. Then enter your school email address and your student ID number as the password. When you get to the Naviance student page, click on the Colleges tab. Then click on Colleges I'm applying to. On this page, you will be able to indicate which institutions you are applying to, how you are applying, and request your transcripts. If you are using the Common Application, you will need to complete the Common App matching icon in red. Simply enter the email address you used to create your Common App account and your date of birth. Then click Match Accounts. This will allow us to send letters of recommendation, transcripts, and other necessary forms to the Common Application. If you're not using the Common Application, you do not need to match your Common App account to Naviance. Both applications, whether it be your institutional application directly to the university or college, or your Common Application schools, need to be listed in your Naviance account under Colleges I'm applying to. Click the red plus sign to add your schools. Here you can search for your school by typing the name of your school you're applying to. Help us with a couple of these questions. For app type, tell us what type of application you are completing. Is it a priority application, an early action or early decision application, rolling admissions? If it is early decision, be sure to have a conversation with your counselor and your parents. Many of you will be applying early action, rolling, or regular decision. The next question, I'll submit my application. This is a very important question, especially if you see the phrase, I am not sure yet. For example, Augustana College accepts both their institutional application and the Common Application. Which one did you complete? Click on I am not sure to indicate how you apply to the school. If you use the Common Application, you would select via Common App. If you used Augustana's application, you would select directly to the institution. Once you have submitted your admission application, you can click I have submitted my application and then add and request your transcript box. If you have not submitted, do not check the box or request your transcript until you submit the online application. Simply click Add Application. If you would like your teacher recommendation letter to be sent to a specific school, you need to add the college or university to the Colleges I'm applying to list so you can select the school you would like your teacher to submit your letter to. Here you'll indicate the initial request and that it's being sent to Augustana. Request and finish. This again is for students that submit the application and have an official transcript that is required. Please take note that if your college or university allows you to self-report your academic grades and classes in lieu of an official transcript, you still need to list the institution in the Colleges I'm applying to section. You will simply add application instead of requesting an official transcript. This will be the case for the students that are applying to University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, Illinois State, University of Iowa, Iowa State University, and many others that accept self-reported grades. All of the colleges you add will appear in the Colleges I'm applying to section. Let's highlight what you have indicated so far. Here is the college name. The application type was early action for EA. You can see now that because we selected directly to the institution, there is a red line through the Common App in the computer screen that stands for Common Application. That means you did not use the Common Application for your application submission, and we can submit official transcripts and letters of recommendation directly to Augustana instead of the Common App. For transcript, it shows that the transcript has been requested and that your application has been submitted. Once you receive a decision from Augustana, you can let us know the result by clicking on the Edit pencil icon. We value your response to this and hope that you will keep us informed of your admissions decisions. If you need to request a transcript after adding the application to the Colleges I'm applying to section, simply click on Request Transcripts. Then select Initial when you apply to colleges, select the school, and click Done. Then you'll select Request and Finish. Again, you must list a college to the college I'm applying to section in order to send the transcript. Ideally, this step is after you submit the application. To monitor the progress of your transcript request, you may click on Manage Transcripts at the top to see when our district sends the transcript to your institution. To request letters of recommendation, click on the Colleges tab at the top of the page, then click Apply to College, then Letters of Recommendation. It is advised that you verbally ask your recommender in person if they would like to write a letter of recommendation for you first. Then do this step and request the letter in Naviance electronically. Click the Add Request button and select the teacher. You can also let your recommender know if you would like their letter to be sent to a specific college from your Colleges I'm Applying to list, or to all and future colleges in your Applying to list. Notice in this space, if you have listed colleges in the Colleges I'm Applying to list, you will see if the institution allows or requires letters of recommendation to be sent. Please note that the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign does not allow letters of recommendation to be sent as a part of your admission application. Additionally, please include a note to your teacher to thank your recommender for writing you a letter of recommendation. If you are using the Common Application, you should also let your teacher know in this box that they have to complete a teacher evaluation form and the letter of recommendation that may be required for the Common Application. Then submit request. This will essentially link the teacher's Naviance account to yours so they can send their documentation on your behalf to the colleges you are applying to. This electronic Naviance letter of recommendation request is solely for educators who work at WTHS. Please inform your counselor that you are applying via Common App to the specific colleges and universities by sending them a personal email or requesting an appointment with them. As always, if you have any questions about requesting transcripts or letters of recommendation or updating your college applications, please let your counselor or post-secondary counselors know. We would be glad to help.